The use of Botox can affect emotional calculations. It has become routine for medical professionals to inject botulinum toxin into the skin of patients, with the goal of producing smoother, less wrinkled skin. Botulinum toxin paralyzes some muscles on the face. In one study, participants who had received facial Botox injections were placed in a functional magnetic resonance imaging (fMRI) scanner. This type of scanner senses the patterns of blood flow in the brain and can determine when different parts of the brain become especially active or inactive. If you look at pictures of faces and mimic those expressions, the emotion processing centers of the brain will light up. Botox patients, however, produce significantly less activity in those emotional centers than do typical participants. What's more, it seems that how you process the emotional states of the people around you is also affected by what you do and don't do with your face. In a related study, experimenters asked people to read short text passages and judge their emotional content. Participants who had received general Botox treatments that reduced their ability to make emotion-laden facial expressions were slower at this task than were standard control participants. This evidence supports the facial feedback hypothesis. The very nature of your emotional reasoning is based on what you do with your body, specifically with your face.